And you roar like a dinosaur. Let me hear it. Whoa! That was a super duper loud roar. Looks like somebody's here. Hi Bella.
Stella is sick.
What? Don't worry. Looks like Stella needs to sleep. Let's check the heartbeat. Oh, it's dizzy. Let's check the temperature. It's normal. Did Stella play in the sun for a long time?
She plays in the sun a lot.
Oh, sun is taking all her energy. We must follow 3 sun safety rules. 1. Drink lots of water. 2. Use sunscreen. Apply before you go out. 3. Find shade to play.
Kids forget to drink water while playing.
Ah, I get it. If they won't drink water, they can eat it.
Really?
Summer foods have lots of water. You should eat it. Watermelon. Muskmelon. Cucumber. Great job! Do you remember the rules, kids? To stay safe in summer, we must 1. Find shade to play. 2. Use sunscreen. 3. Eat and drink lots of water. See you next time at Dino Center. Stay cool. Please like this video and subscribe.